So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to enable Face ID here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, go to the top right, and press on the profile icon. Once you guys are here, I want you to go to where it says settings and press on that. And then I want you to go ahead and press on under account info, login, and security. So once you guys are here where it says Face ID, make sure that that is turned on. So for me right now, because it is turned on, it is slided to the right. But if I were to go ahead and tap it again, I will then slide it to the left. And I'll just cancel this right now. So if you want to keep it turned on, make sure that it is checked off right there. And that is how you guys can enable Face ID. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to enable Face ID on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.